Run ka. Run.
So, hi guys.
No,
We're at Mangrove.
we are in Mangrove.
We are in Mangrove, so we're gonna go home now.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
We didn't take a video in the first place.
In the first place.
Because we forgot.
Yeah, we forgot, guys. But
And
look
this
at the sea. Look at the sea. Oh, Grandma left us. Look at the trees.
That is our grandma.
Yeah, those
over
are
there.
Our grandma.
I'm scared. I think the phone is gonna fall.
That's what I can buy another.
But we don't have money. We're not
I'm sorry guys, we didn't vlog in the first place. When we go back to Mangrove, we're vlogging
videoing
in the first place. Yeah, and the second place.
We're here.
And we ate a lot. We're going home. It's a long ride. And
There's
then
some people over
my
there.
sister and
People over there.
And then she surprised me with the beach.
Yeah. With the house. With the house in the mangrove, right?
Yeah. And then
That's our Lola.
Yeah, that's our Lola. Lola Cynthia and Lola Remy.
There's a lot of people in here. Tons of people.
Yeah, look at the sea. Did you?
Cute babies.
Cute.
Inabot na kami ng init. Anak pala to ni Aaron. Ano po? Oo. Kamukha eh. Anak lang ni Aaron.
Look at that. They planted a little bit
This
of
is Alexis Explorer. Dora
and this
Explorer.
Kendra the Explorer.
Yeah.
Ken from Bardo.
We are Kendra and Alexis Explorer. Now we're gonna explore the whole Ginyangan in here.
I love to travel a lot. Where did you been before? I've been in Batangas,
Me too.
Bulacan, Pasay,
Taguig, Manila,
Lucena,
Lopez, Calawag.
Calawag. I've been
But
there.
we're not gonna explore the whole Ginyan. Just the Barangay Calintang we'll explore. Because we don't have money to travel again.
Yeah, we don't have money to travel. We have no money for
No reason.
pasalubong.
We just always spend our money. Right?
We just have some fun with the food. Food is like in the food.
Yeah, we're here. This is our Lola Cynthia.
Hello.
And that is our Lola Remy. That always have a lot of people to talk.
Yeah. Dami
Hold my hands.
kwentuhan.
Anong algagahoma?
Did you see us, guys?
Abang naman tayong tinapay. Kung napapakapit ka.
Do you want me to edit it in CapCut? Ah, wait. We're just gonna go and change.
Okay, and we're almost.
Wait. So this is us.
We're going home.
We're going home. We're going to travel all in
We're gonna go
Barangay Calintang.
Saan?
You should go.
May kape daw.
Senyo. Ate, may kape ka ba dyan?
Check our channel below.
Kape ka?
The famous place in here is Mangrove.
Yeah. Mango.
Mangrove.
Let's do a TikTok. Wait. They didn't love you like wait. They don't love wait. Okay. They don't love you like love you wait. They don't love you.
So let's go to the Pasalubong store.
Yeah, let's go to the Pasalubong store. Come on. We said earlier that we cannot spend money.
Yeah.
But we're
But
spending
they-
money.
But we are always spending money just for us to make full our
There's
tummy.
ice cream. There's ice cream.
So guys, this is the Pasalubong store.
Helen Tan.
There's a lot.
Lollipop.
Ano ba, ate? What? It's coffee.
There is peanut butter in here. See?
Kevin niya.
There's the cocoa.
And a coffee rice over there.
May kape ako galing. May kape ako galing.
And some special tikoy.
There's the special treat.
Where?
Yan ay kasama namin mga binila ni ano.
Where? Point it. Here?
Ay, I like the pamaypay. Nako, magkano ang pamaypay?
Is that what you're
Lagi
talking
niya wala
about?
sa akin ang pamaypay. Sila na kami ng pamaypay. Magkano yun?
Mommy.
Lahat na lang. Isali ko kaya ang pamaypay sa
Oh, there's a bracelet over here. Here's a bracelet.
Bracelet.
Let's buy a 21.
Can we get a small Can you get her?
Mommy. 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 Can you just buy us one candy? Please.
Please. Oh, there's keychains. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Ooh.
Let's buy a 21.
Yeah, let's buy a 20. Ooh, 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 ooh. This one. But this is good.
This.
That one. Yeah, let's buy
Oh, but it's so expensive.
Maybe when we go back here.
Yeah, maybe we can go. So for now, we are begging to buy this candy because we want this.
This. Oh, it's so cute. Cute.
We are begging for our grandma to buy us this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that candy. The cocoa.
And then there's some cover on there. And why is there dishwashing liquid? There's some nuts and
Maybe this one. Mommy, please.
let's get only one, but you have to share. Can we share?
Sad. Mommy, please. Buy us that candy.
Only one.
Only one. We share for the last one.
They're not hearing us.
That is our Lola, or Miss Chismis.
There's a short. I'm more short.
Mommy, please, we're begging you. Buy us that candy.
And can
Begging.
you go to her. I will hold you.
Our begging style. Mommy, please, buy us that.
She's your mom. I thought she's your mom.
Mommy.
Lola.
Dati ang bahay sa
Mommy.
ay nasunog. Oy, may baro sa cellphone mga bebe. Dapat kami ni Green. Actually, opo. Hindi ko pinala ko sa bahay namin. Anak!
Buy us
Ang bibili ko ay pamaypay. Sibing na natin. Yung maganda na yung pili mo.
Let's go over here. It's too itchy.
Parang to. Kaya talaga ako magwawala. Lahat na yata ng... Dapat ko sa inyo nakatali. Nakatali sa ano ngayon?
Only one. Yung coco, yung ganto.
Ako nakalimutan. Nakita naka-story. Ano ngayon? Alin po? Ang isang braso? 10.
10.
Bumili kayo dalawa. Tingis.
Yay.
Where's the coins?
Ay, alam mo yung pamaypay ko galing pang Valerion. Gusto me. Binili. Nalimutan na. Nalimutan. Inupuan ko. Nakakita ng ka-istorya. Nalimutan. Sumaya ko sa van. Nalimutan ko. Pag hindi ko nalimutan.
Ate, only 2 that coco.
Mas malaki ba yung isa niya?
I get bite. By an ant.
Ah. Ay, pag gusto ko
I get bite by
parang
an
gusto ko yung mas malaki.
Si may candy.
Malaki ang pinili. Sino malaki din at kunti lang hangin. Kuya, paki-rewrite mo. 19-12.
So let's mukbang it on there.
Papiliin
Over
mo.
there. We should. Over there. The chair.
Yeah, the chair.
So guys, we're going to eat our candy.
Now we're eating some candy, guys. Coco,
Wait, let's just move.
you should try this. This tastes so good. There's lots of flavor.
The flavor is strawberry.
It's
It
a
have
milk candy.
grapes.
It's not bubblegum. Grape, pineapple,
Blueberry, strawberry, cola, and yogurt.
Yogurt.
So
We
let's
got
open
the
it.
strawberry one, guys.
This is the area to
I
how to
thought
open
that-
it.
Yeah, like this. That's how you do it in my school. Ooh, and then get one from here. This is not bubblegum, guys. Kids, you should try this, but tell your mom that this is not bubblegum. And drink a lot of water. You might get tonsillitis.
You may choke, so you
may
need to
choke.
get warning.
You have to bite it. Mmm. It's so good.
I didn't even taste it.
It's so good, guys. Let's bite it at the same time. Someone forgot to throw their cocoa under the bahay kubo.
Huh? Where?
There. And
Oh,
there. This is so good, guys. How many pieces?
it's edible.
Not edible because it has candy. This is so good.
It's like bubble gum, but it's not bubble gum. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Try it.
If they try to make a
First,
bubble, there's candy.
Let's rate it, but first, let's smell it first. It tastes like jelly bean. Oh,
Let's smell.
and it's like clay when you play it.
It's a pocket size. They have no big version.
Mmm. It's chewy.
Where are you gonna put the trash?
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, may bayad po.
It's like serum.
It's a
The
bit
flavor.
sour.
Dito po, sir, sa may kapilang window.
It's sour. But first it's sweet, now it's sour, like Sour Patch.
Yeah. Now let's try the second one. You can put it and hide in your pocket, so no friends will share.
Kakapilang, sir.
There's only 2 pieces.
Me too. So it's only 5 pieces and it's real good.
Yeah, it's only 5 pieces. 5 or 4?
Let's rate it to 10. I rate it 10 out of 10.
I rate it 9 out of 10 because it's a bit sour, but it's sweet though.
3, 2, and go.
Why is there...
Really bum.
This is the trash. Let's save some for later.
Okay, tita Louie, magkano ba
I'm
yun?
gonna save some for later, of course.
Me too.
I'd save some.
It says milk
Bakit
candy.
wala dito yung
See?
Louie doon?
Milk candy.
You're so lucky.
This is my favorite one now.
Yeah. But my favorite flavor is the cola. The cola is my favorite. It's very fizzy. It's very yummy.
What name is it? Coco.
Coco.
It's a coco candy.
Coco. Wait.
Coco candy.
Louie, saka si... Sino pa?
It's already been 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Paano niya yun? Nakakautan.
They
So
even
guys,
back here.
wait for our third clip because we're not going home yet. Yeah, we're not home yet.
We should have some fun.
So see you guys in 10 minutes because we're going home.
Bye.
Kaya ko na nga ito eh.
Hi guys! So finally we're going home. Here we are. We are here around,
Jogging. Go to the line.
so we're going to get,
Jogging.
wait.
Why did you put it there?
Just nothing, just the start. Now we're going home.
Jogging. Where? Can I put your phone?
In here.
Sana all may papagmay.
That's our Lola. We're going home. Mami, saan tayo uwi kay Lata o sa atin?
Basta, alam lang kung dala kay Lula Minang.
You know there's a K-pop song called We're girls, so we can do whatever we do.
So we are
Girls
here.
are girls and boys are boys.
This is a famous place where you go in the mangrove,
Yeah, you should go.
and there are some parks of a lot of lights. It's really
When it's
beautiful.
nighttime, it will shine.
Yeah, it will shine. Let's just sit here for a minute.
Yeah, let's wait for our Lola. Ah, there's a rock in my... Oh, the rock.
Sir, makidaan.
Okay, come on. Oh my god, there's another rock in the other shoe.
Mommy, where are we going?
Come on, run.
We are walking.
Oh yeah, we're walking. Saan tayo pupunta?
Now we're going to a forest. We're gonna adventure and fun.
Adventure?
That is the place we're going to go.
It looks like...
Yeah. Oh.
That's what I look like before I went. So hot.
Hold my hand.
It's like we're hiking because I also have a bag.
Yeah.
Hiking. Oh my god.
We're going side to side of the forest, and that is called Explorer, an adventure.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Show it.
In here, it's peaceful. And that's the cow. And that's the cow.
Where the skin looks so fun.
Ayaw niya mga pagsabihan.
Ah,
This is.
mud. I almost
Oh,
hit it.
sorry, I'm just itchy.
Whoa, there's some flowers. Look at
This is a beautiful flowers that we saw, and we're going to have an adventure again.
green.
First stage, we go in mangrove, and the second place we go in this forest.
But where are the flowers? So
Look at the flower, guys.
yeah, look at the flowers.
It's really
On them.
yellow. Oh.
Wait for me. Oh my god.
Why don't you want to step on the flowers?
Because it's too
Oh, poo-poo.
and then we are hurting nature.
That's okay. Nature is
Poo-poo,
fun of
Daisy.
that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Sorry. Poo-poo day. Wait for us.
That's okay. Now, let's go. Make it faster to walk.
Wait for us. Something on my hair. Jitsu holding. Do you know the
Got it on my head.
Jitsu holiday. With 50 pounds.
Propulsion. Propulsion. Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that. There's a chicken. Look
Over
behind you.
here.
There's a capybara.
Yeah. Let's go there.
Do you think we can go there? Wait for me. Wait for me.
Papa. Now we're going to a damuhan.
Damuhan. Damihan. Damihan mo.
Oh my god, it's a bit itchy.
Yeah, it's a bit itchy for the leggings. Wait lang! Mabilis kayo maglakad.
It's a bit itchy though.
Ugh.
Oh
I
god.
saw some clover. Look, there's a purple flower. Wait lang!
I know the way. Don't worry.
Follow them.
Wait.
It's a butterfly. It's luck. That will give us luck.
Ouch.
There's some clovers around here. What And Go Garden sells clovers.
What if this is a real garden? Finally, it's not itchy anymore. Look!
Really? Oh, look! Ang daming clovers.
Ay, clover? Nasaan clover?
Saan? Dami.
Nasaan?
Saan?
Tabi-tabi. Ay, oo, yung maliliit na yan.
Clovers yan.
Dito na lang. Nainitan na ako. Ano?
Halika na. Now we're going over that in a lot of trees.
Ate daw.
Ang layo muna. Ang layo muna.
I think we're gonna do this.
Oh my god. Ouch. Itchy.
Experience ba naman? Ay, ano ba yun?
Itch.
Nag-hiking kami. Hiking.
Now this is a little bit peaceful place.
Ah. Hi.
Tabi-tabi.
Tabi-tabi.
Tabi po. Magpatabi.
Tabi po.
Tabi.
Just
Happy po.
Just
Now we're inside in the forest.
we're inside the forest. This is our first time.
Ay, ito may lalagyan. Dapat tangin tayo ng plastic.
This is
Yan siya nakatira.
we're inside in the forest.
There's chickens.
Pandak, no.
No.
Ah, yan sila nakatira.
Yeah, in the kubo.
Oh, there's goats. There's goats.
No, she's mabait.
Huwag tatakbo, bebe.
Pandak.
Hindi ba nga
A goat.
Baka nasin ba?
Dito may dahon.
Hindi. No.
Hold on.
Wala. Look at the chicken. Look at the puppy. Oh, the chicken.
That's summer.
Good morning po.
Look at the chicken.
Magandang umaga po.
Look at the chicken.
Magandang bayabas.
Oh, sit down there. The rainbow chair.
Hinahalal na ako.
Oh, sige nga.
Dito ako nagpapahinga.
Galing ka na ba kay nanay?
Finally.
Ay, sa isang araw. Mamaya hapon. May bisita lang ako.
Hey,
Maybe there.
yung aso.
Hoy, dito ako nagre-relax. This is my relaxation place.
Pag ganito na sa may bigli na mahangin.
So see you after we
Aalis
go
na sa ating
home.
Mila. Ngayon, alas 10 daw. Sinundo nung...
Hello everyone, we are home now, and that's Alexis, and we're playing a lot of toys. Here the toys we are playing right now, kitchen toys. And please like and subscribe to our accounts. And Alexis just eating foods already. She's already finished. She's almost finished. So right now, we are so happy because we make our intro in our account, in our opening account. So please follow and make us famous already. Joke. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our video and like, of course, and click the notification bell so you'll be more update in our account.
If you have a sister, comment. Sister always stick together.
So bye.